In the default configuration, Ubuntu software package sources are located overseas. This may result in slow download speeds. To solve this issue, our project will switch the source image to domestic mirrors. This will significantly increase download speeds. First, we need to back up the original sources.list file. Back up to the current directory and name it old_sources list. If you need to restore the original software source configuration in the future, after completing the backup, we can start modifying the configuration file. Execute sudo vi/etc/app/sources.list. In command mode, enter %d to clear the existing content. Copy the source mirror from the University of Science and Technology of China USTC. If you are using Ubuntu 20.04, you can paste it directly. If your version is not 20.04, then you need to replace focal with the codename of your respective version in these four places. After completing the modifications, press the S key. Enter WQ to save and exit. Now, let's update the package index. Simply execute the command sudo apt update. If no errors appear, you are good to go. This indicates that the source mirror switch was successful. In order to verify the improvement in download speed, to test this, we will attempt to download a package. Enter sudo apt-get install-git to install Git. The download speed has significantly increased. Simply wait for the installation to complete. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.